Alright guys, welcome back to another section of the pod. Today we are going to learn how to terminate Ethernet cable, Cat6 UTP cable with the RJ45 pass-through. Yeah. So watch out and yeah. So guys, now the things you need is your crimping tool. Actually, I'm using the all-in-one crimping tool. You can see that we have your cutter here, your stripper, and then the crimping thing as well. Yeah. Now also we are using the Ethernet cable Cat6. This is actually a UTP Ethernet cable. So the UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair. You can see that this thing doesn't have a coat. It has a coat, but it doesn't have that like shield and stuff and quilt still. Yeah. And also the RJ45 itself. So we are using the straight through. If you can zoom in, you can see that there's some holes here. This actually allows you to see your color coding after you have placed the Ethernet cable inside, right? Okay, so let's get cooking. Let's start cooking, bro. All right guys, so I will advise you that you first get your Ethernet cable and then your RJ45. So measure like this. Yeah, before you strip the cable, the coat from it, you measure it and then leave some space for the coat to enter your RJ45 here. So let's get to it. You get your crimping tool. Mine is all in one, but maybe you have your stripper there. You see, this is my stripper. You put your Ethernet cable inside like this, right? You put your Ethernet cable inside like this. You lock it like that and then strip. Yeah, like that. You see you see this is a clean cut. Then you take out the coat like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do is that we are going to bring the cables to the side like this. The cables to the side like this. Yeah, like that. Like this, like peeling a banana. Yeah, like this and this. This thing has a lot of name. Actually, people call it the separator and stuff, blah blah blah. So you put the cord thing like this. Then you take out your cutter. My cutter is here. I'll put it like this. You ready, me, bro? So you cut off the separator, a part of it like this, and then we are going to our next topic, which is color coding. So in the color coding, we actually have two standards, right? We have two standards. We have the standard B and the standard A. If you want to know more of the standards in RJ45 color coding, let me know in the comment section. We will actually do a full video on everything here into details. This is just a beginner tutorial on how to terminate the Ethernet cable. So we are going to use the standard B. It's actually being used all over the world than the standard A. So your first color is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and then brown. So these cables, 4 of them supply data and 4 of them supply power, right? So what we are going to do right now is get back to the cable. So now you take your banana peeled RJ45 Ethernet cable and then you untwist it. Thank you, director. You untwist it like this, right? All right. So this is what you get after untwisting the twisted pair, right? So now you know why it's called twisted pair, because they get 2 wires together and twist it. Now we are going to do the color code. So first thing first, you get your orange white. Now this is how I would this is how I will advise you to do it. Yeah, you put your hands like this, right? You get the cables under here, and then your hand to here to hold it down. Then you get your orange white like this. Get your orange white like this, plus your orange like that. Cables no so. Hold it like this. So this is composure. Your hand has to be under it to hold it separate from the other cables, and then you press it with your other hand like that. So fast forward, do it. So now we look for the green white, add it to it, then stretch it out like this and hold it tight together. I don't know how you guys are going to do this, but please practice at home. And then we look for a blue like this. So strip it behind, pass it through behind the back, and then hold it like this. Don't pass it through the front like this. Don't do this. And I won't advise you to do this. Do like this. Do it like this. Like that. And then you bring it together. Hold it with your other arm. Like so this is how you get it if you use the method I taught you. Now you use the cutter and then you cut the extended ones or the inquire ones. Boy, I wanted to go for hey, make it away. And you cut it like that. You cut it like that. After you finish it, yeah, you take your RJ45 like this. Hey, hey. So after you have cut your excessive cables, make sure that your RJ45 is facing like this. Then you put your cable inside, then you push it. So you put it inside there, and then you make sure that all the cable are outside. Then you push. Make sure you have some of the shield, the coat inside. Then you push. That's all. So you just make sure that the coat is around this place, around that area. Then you're done. You get your crimping tool, put it inside. Yeah. Make sure it has seated inside the chamber here. Them not direct out maker here. Then you cut it. If you are using a pass-through crimping tool, you have a blade beneath here, which will cut the excessive or the extra cables like that. You see, yeah, like that. So you can pull it out, and you have your RJ45. Cut this cable terminated. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. Okay. So this is your terminated Ethernet cable Cat 6 UTP into the RJ45 Ethernet cable. Yeah, it's nicely terminated. All right. So if you guys want to go into details on how to terminate an RJ45 and know things about it, how to use this cable to transmit data from one machine to the other machine, let us know in the comment section. We will have another section on how to use RJ45 to transmit your data from one machine to another. Don't need to use pen drive anymore. Okay. Yeah. If you want this crimping to, let me know in the comment section. If you want the Ethernet cable pass-through, let me know in the comment section. I'll contact you on WhatsApp, and then we will talk. All right. So this brings us to the end of this section. Thank you for. Wow! Wow! So this brings. Oh, mommy, yeah. So this brings us to.
Shut up, you! Shut up!
I have fought and yes! Yes! So this brings us to the end of the section. I hope I'll see you in the next section. The podium was slogan.
Go and ask your grandfather.
So, all right, peace, bye bye, bro. Fuck this shit.